Now next is a national park. You must have seen national park in your, you must have heard about it in your state. So here the children are eager to go into the national park. He tells the person who's taking them, tells them that they are large and diverse enough to protect whole sets of ecosystem. These national parks, they protect and preserve flora and fauna, landscape and historic objects of an area. Satpura National Park is the first reserve forest of India. The finest Indian teak is found in this forest. So this forest is specially having special teak plants which are generally they were being destroyed for making buildings and for making furniture. So these trees were protected. Then rock shelters are also found in the Satpura National Park. These are prehistoric evidences. Now in this national park, the trees are not the only thing. There are some prehistoric evidences of human life in this area. So there are old caves which are also getting preserved. They give us an idea of the life of the prehistoric people. Their paintings are found in this shelter. Then a total of 55 rock shelters have been identified in this. So a national park has been mentioned there. Likewise, there are many other national parks in our country. Figures of animals, men fighting and dancing, all this are found in this area, in the Satpura region. So it means this area had big forest in the prehistoric time, and humans who lived in these caves, they made sketch of those animals in these caves. So therefore the government has taken steps to protect and preserve the habitat of the animals, as well as protect the caves which are evidence of the prehistoric times. So national park is called national park because it is an open area. Here also people are not allowed. So it will be a comparatively smaller area where a particular species of a small area live and they are protected. The children were taken ahead. They were bored with Satpura Tiger Reserve. By it, Madhavji explained that Project Tiger, you must have heard about Project Tiger. Project Tiger was launched by the government to protect the tiger in the country. The objective of Project Tiger was to protect the tiger which was on the verge of extinction. So the tiger, if it was not taken, if the steps were not taken to protect the tiger at that time, you will not be able to see the tiger today. So Project Tiger is a part of national park, which it was a movement where the tiger was protected. Various strict laws were changed, and the habitat of the tiger was preserved. The objective of the project was to ensure the survival and maintenance of the tiger population in the country. So you must have heard in the news recently that the population of tiger has increased in our country, which is a good sign. If we don't protect the tiger, then that population of tiger will slowly finish, and the future children will not be able to see the tiger. Likewise, there are thousands of species of animals who are on the verge of extinction. So when we protect the animals and trees in a national park, we not only protect the tiger, but side by side we protect other smaller species of insects which are also living in the